Yes, hello?
Hi, sir. Wait a minute. Student is join again.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay,
The
okay.
class it's 9:30, so I can wait for another time. I mean, I'll stay, then I wait for the student.
Could you teach the to demo class? Patro will pay you
For
to
two.
class.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
sure,
yes.
sure. Uh,
Okay, thank you, sure.
sure.
Okay. I will talk because the laptop is không là gì if if fail I will tell you join again the phone.
I see, I see.
Okay,
Let's try
okay,
to see. Okay.
okay.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. Wonderful. Okay, I am Teacher Angel. Can you tell me your name?
My name Tang.
Tang.
My name
And
Bing.
Bing. Okay. Hello, Tang. Hello, Bing. And my name is Teacher
Okay,
Angel.
bạn nhé.
I'm from the Philippines. What about you?
I am in Vietnamese.
You're Vietnamese. I see. All right. Okay. For this time, we're going to have class and we're going to assess what level you are in your English. I will give you an exam and you have to answer it. For this case, I need you to have pen and paper. Do you have pen and paper? Pen and
À,
paper. Kindly get a pen and paper,
yeah.
each of you, because we're going to take an
Bút
exam.
và giấy. Với đây cái từ không nhỉ? Ở đâu chia sẻ nhỉ? Pen and paper.
Can you see my screen, buddies?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. So just tell me if you're ready for the exam, okay? Don't worry, I will be here to guide you to find the answers, all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just get my paper so that I can record the answer of Tang and B, okay? Just wait for me.
Chào tôi tí. Waiting for me. Để đây Hollywood thì stand all around. Just waiting for me. Told you.
Okay, hello, buddies. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. So, are you ready to get the lesson?
Yes.
Okay. So, but before, if I say hi, you say hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, good. Since that you're prepared, and let's start. So we're going to answer questions in the level of grade 6. Okay, let's start. Okay, there will be 5 parts here. Not necessarily we can complete this one, but we're going to have grammar tests, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that's clear. So let's go to part number 1, grammar.
Được, được.
Okay, Tang, can you read this one?
Yeah. Odd one out.
Did you understand when we say add one out?
Yes.
Okay, for example, I'm going to have A, B, or I mean Z, I mean X, then W, then 3. In this group, which is the odd one? Which one it does not belong to the group? A, X, W, or 3? Which one does
3.
not belong? Of course, it's 3,
3.
right? So just the same case for numbers 1 to 5. That's how you're going to answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, for this one, for 1 to 5, I want Tang have separate answer and also V. Okay? Yes, I'm going to give you a minute for you to answer. Then let's try to discuss your answers afterwards. A minute. Look on the questions. Don't copy each other's answer. Don't talk. Just answer. Okay? For 1 minute.
Just answer. Judo. D.
Again, do not talk. No talking, please. No talking.
Để viết đó.
No talking. All right.
Okay.
Finish, both of you. Do you have answers?
Yes.
Okay. Tang, can you tell me your answers, please?
One is D.
Continue. Number 5. Tell your answers 1 to 5. What's number
Why
2? What's your answer for number
is
2?
B.
B. Number 3, what's your answer?
C.
4.
A.
Number 5.
A.
Okay, thanks. What about B? Can you tell me your answers, B?
Yes.
Number 1.
Number one is D.
Number 2.
Is B.
3.
D.
Number 4.
C.
Number 5.
A.
Okay, letter A. Okay, let's try to discuss your answers. So good thing you have different answers, okay? Okay, number 1. B, can you read the choices for number 1?
Is D.
No, choices, read it. 1, A, compass. B, textbook.
Đọc.
C, calculator. D, judo. Read it that way.
Đọc đi.
Again, B.
Judo. Không.
Uh,
Không. Đọc từng cái một.
hello, B, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read the choices for number 1? When we say
It's
choices,
D. Judo.
okay, I'm not asking for the question. You just read everything first. Read everything for number 1.
Everything. A. Compass. B. Textbook. A textbook. C. Calculator. D. Judo.
Okay. Let's try to read this again. Calculator. 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 Can you say it again? Calculator. Calculator.
Calculator.
Not calcu. Calculator. Can you say it again? Calculator.
Calculator.
Okay, later we practice street reading. Okay, if you have classes with me, we're going to polish it. So your answer is D for both of you, and the answer is D. That's
Judo.
right, judo. For number 2, Tang, can you read the choices? Tang.
A. English. B. Play. C. Science. D. History.
Okay, again, C, science. D,
C.
history.
Science. C. Science. D. History.
Science.
Science.
We need that sound.
Science.
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 Good. Again, letter C.
Science. Science.
Good. Next, letter D, history.
D. History.
Okay, history, not his story.
History.
Don't do it, okay? History, that sound.
History.
Very good.
History.
Okay, B, can you read it? Science, history.
Science.
Good.
History.
History.
Histories.
Okay, good. Oh, history, no S. History, history. History.
History.
Okay, good. You both answered letter B, play. Is that correct? Of course, that's correct. Because for number 2, we are talking about subjects in schools. Number 3, again, Tang, can you read it?
A. Have. B. Share. C. With. D. Study.
Okay, very good. Your answer for number 3 is letter C, and B answered letter D. Okay. Who do you think is correct?
Yes, it's correct.
I mean, who? B or Tang? C or letter
B.
D?
B.
Okay, let's try to check out. Have, this is a verb. Share is a verb. With is a conjunction. Study is a verb. So the answer is letter C. The one who is correct is Tang. Okay, so 3 points for Tang, 2 points for B. Okay, B, can you read number 4?
A. Classmate. B. Remember. C. Knock. D. Help.
Okay, again, A, classmate. B, remember. Okay, the sound is remember. C, knock. D, help. Can you say it again?
A. Classmate. B. Remember. C. Knock. D. Help.
Okay, good. And for this one, um, Tang answer letter A and V answer letter C. Okay, who do you think is correct?
I don't know.
Okay, let's try to see. Classmate, remember, knock, help. Okay, classmate is a person, right? Classmate is a
Yes.
person. It's a noun. Remember is a verb. Knock is a verb. Help is a verb. What do you think is the answer? What letter?
A.
Letter A. So the correct answer is, I mean, the correct one is Tang. V got it wrong for another time because he answered letter C. Good. Number 5. V, can you read it?
A. Uniform.
B.
B. Post
Sorry,
office.
sorry, I'm quite confused. Who is B
Po-
again? Who is B?
Post office.
I mean, sorry, who is B? I mean, your name is Tang and B, right? Did I get it wrong?
This is B.
V.
B.
Sorry, V.
B.
Right.
B.
Yeah, I asked V to read the the choices. Who is V again? Who is V? Can you raise the
I.
hand? You are V. And the other one is Tang. Oh, I think. Oh, I see.
No.
Sorry, I'm quite very I'm quite confused with the names, but it's V, right? Okay. But because earlier when I asked Tank to read, you are reading for him. So that's why it's okay. Don't worry. Maybe I got confused. It's okay. Okay, V, continue reading. A, uniform. B, post office.
A. Uniform. B. Post office. C. Library. D. Classroom.
Okay, again, post office. Post
Post.
office.
Post office.
Not fish. Office.
Post office.
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 Okay, good. Can you read it, Tang?
A. Uniform. B. Post office. C. Library. D. Classroom.
Okay. Let's try to read it slowly. A. Uniform. B. Post office. C. Library. D. Classroom. Can you read it again?
A. Uniform. B. Post office.
Okay, stop there. Post office. Post office.
Post office.
Good. Again, letter A.
A. Uniform.
Continue. B. Post office. C. Again, letter A.
B. Post office.
Oops.
D.
Post office. Your sound,
Post.
the one that you're saying is like this. Pot office. Pot. No S. You're saying pot. You say post office.
Post office.
Oops. You say again pot. Post. Pot. Post.
Post.
Good. That sound. That's what I need. Post. Not pot. Don't use pot. You say post. Can you say it again?
Yes. Post office.
Again, not office. That's the mistake of V. Say office.
Post office.
Oops, you went back to pot. For another time, say post office.
Post office.
Good. That's the one I need. Another time, can you say it?
Post office.
You went to office. Office.
Office.
Okay? Remember how I say it. Okay? Post office. Can you say it for last time?
Post office.
Good. That's what I need. V, can you read it again? Letter B?
B. Post office.
Good. So you can remember, right?
Yes.
Then can you go to letter C?
C. Library.
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 No, not Lee.
Library.
Rary. Rary.
Library.
Okay, library. Good. Letter D.
D. Classroom.
Classroom, like classroom. Classroom. Say it slowly, okay? Classroom.
Classroom.
Not classroom. Classroom.
Classroom.
Okay, good. Very good. Let's go to your answers. You both answer letter A, uniform. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Uniform. So Tang got perfect. V got 3/5. Very good. High five. Both of you, high five. High five. All right. Nice one. Good job. Let's go to the next part.
Đi một đi qua.
Choose the answer A, B, C, or D to complete the sentences below. I'm going to read it for you. Listen. Someone blank at the door. A, or knocking. B, is knocking. C, knock. D, knocks. For this one, I want you to say your answers loudly, but do not copy each other. Okay? B, what's your answer?
Answer is B.
Okay, what about Tang? What's your answer?
My answer is A.
A. Okay, let's try to check the answer. Okay, the answer is B. Is knocking. All right. Try to remember that someone is a singular noun. Okay, it counts as a singular noun, so you use is knocking. All right. Number two, Tang, can you read the sentence? Blank.
A.
No, read the sentence. Blank. I forgot my calculator.
I forgot my calculator.
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 Good. What's your answer?
My answer is A.
And V, what's your answer?
My answer A.
Also A. So your answer, oh dear, I forgot my calculator. That's right. Okay. Can you say the full sentence now, V? Number two, with oh dear. Can you say it? Oh dear,
Oh dear. I forgot my calculator.
I forgot. I forgot my calculator.
I forgot my calculator.
Okay, good. Next one. I'm sorry. I was almost good there. Right answer. Well, the correct answer is D here. Can you read it, V?
I am excited for our first day at school.
Is that off? First day of school? First day at school.
First day at school.
Okay. Tang, can you read it again?
I'm excited for our first day at school.
First day at school. I'm excited for our first day of school. Of course, the answer is there D. I already gave out the answer. That's fine. Okay, for number four, Tang, can you read the sentence?
B.
Read the sentence. I did not ask for the answers.
Let's blank our school uniform and go to school.
Okay, what's your answer? Your answer is letter A. Take off. Going to take off? Going to school? Let's take off our uniform and let's go to school. Letter A. What about V? What's your answer?
My answer is B.
What's that?
We're on.
We're on. Okay, the right answer is actually letter. Hey, where is the letter D? You have to put on. The right answer is put on. Let's put on our uniform and go to school. Let's put on our let's put on our school uniform and go to school. Okay? So, it's all right. Next one. V, can you read the sentence?
Get up, Tom. We blank to school today.
What's your answer?
My answer is A.
A. What about you, Tang? What's your answer?
My answer is A.
A as well. We are going back to school today. Very good. Number six. Tang, can you read it? Oh, damn it.
I meet
Sorry. I
I
guess you see
meet
the
my
answer. Continue. Sorry. Continue reading the sentence.
I meet my friend blank my way to school.
Of course, what should be the answer? You already see it.
Yes.
So what's the answer? Don't be wrong. Okay. What's
B.
what's your answer?
B.
What's that?
B on.
On.
Is
Okay.
B.
V, kindly read the full sentence with the correct answer.
B on.
With the correct answer, read the sentence with the correct answer.
I meet my friend on my way to school.
Okay, so that's correct. On. Very nice. Good job for both of you. Thank you very much. For the meantime, since we started late, and actually my time in the Philippines is actually 11:23 in the evening. So it's really late in my time here. So since we started late, I really cannot accommodate to extend. Well, I thank you for coming to class today, and I'm going to give your results to our department so that they can assess your English further, and I'm going to give recommendations. Okay, thank you very much for coming to school or for coming to class. Before we end this, Tang, can you say something why you want to learn in English? Can you answer that? Why you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English?
Because I want.
Okay, you start with your sentence, I want to learn English because,
Because
again, you start this
what I
way.
do.
I want to learn English because,
I want to learn English because I want to learn English. I don't know.
so why attend class? Why you don't know? I mean, what for? Why do you want to learn English? What's the reason?
Because I want to learn.
Do you want to learn English? Do you want to learn English, Tang? Sorry, I'm talking to V. Sorry, V. Do you want to learn English, V?
Yeah.
You want, right? But what is your reason why you want to learn English? What are you going to do?
I don't know.
I mean, you don't really have to. I mean, there is no wrong or correct answers here. You just have to talk. You just have to talk.
I
Okay?
know.
Okay. What's your answer now?
Because I want to.
Is my question hard? I don't think so. It's very easy, right?
I don't think so.
I mean, you try
But
to answer why I want to study English. I want to study English because I want to improve my communication. I want to talk to almost everyone in the world because they can understand English. I can go easily to other countries because I can speak English. I can communicate well. Isn't it?
yes.
Is it hard?
No. But
Not really,
I.
right? I mean, you're thinking too much. You're thinking too much. You don't have to think so much. You have just to think simple because we are starting to communicate. You have to try. Okay, English, I mean, to learn English is for you to speak always. You have to practice every time. You have to practice your ears to listen. You have to talk English. You have to think in English so that you can talk in English. Okay? All right? Okay, what happened? Is the internet going slow? Hello, hello. Buddies, can you hear me?
I cannot. I can't see you.
You cannot see me. I think your connection is quite bad.